sequence of note intervals, creating a major, minor, modal, or a Macam tonal system. Every major tonality forms a scale from 2 whole steps and 1 half-step interval repeatedly. G major scale. D major scale. A major scale. G major scale has one key signature, F sharp. D major scale has 2 key signatures, F sharp and C sharp. A major scale has 3 key signatures, F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. The bowings are also a very important part of violin playing. Please include 2 legato, 4 legato and 8 notes of legato in your scales. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video class.